Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how to disable Microsoft Copilot from Windows 11. If you are not a fan of Copilot and you don't want to use it anymore and you want to disable it, there are ways you can disable this Microsoft Copilot option, which you see at the bottom right corner in your taskbar. So if you just want to disable it from here, and you want it to be there, but you don't want it to show up on the taskbar, so you can right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and simply turn it off from here, uh, and just close the taskbar settings, and you will no longer see that Microsoft Copilot in your taskbar. But you will be able to use it. If you press Windows and C, it will show up, and you can use it, but the icon will no longer be there in the taskbar. But if you want to disable it permanently, you can either do it from group policy editor, or you can even disable it from Windows registry editor. So first we will try group policy editor, and you just need to type in the search box GP edit and click on the option that is edit group policy. Click on open, and a group policy editor will open up. Just maximize it. Under user configuration, just expand administrative template, then Windows components, and then Windows Copilot. Just click on Windows Copilot. At the right hand side, you will see option turn off Windows Copilot. Double click it, and a new window will open up. You just need to click on enable, click apply, and then click OK. And then you can close group policy editor and just restart the computer to apply the changes. So I'll just restart the computer. So our PC has restarted, and we no longer see the Copilot icon at the bottom right corner because we have disabled it from taskbar. But let's see what happens if we press Windows and C. So I'm pressing Windows and C and nothing is happening, which means the Copilot has been disabled from Windows. You can no longer use it on your computer. Now we will explore the third way how you can disable it using registry editor. Okay, so Copilot is back on our machine because I have reverted the changes. Now if I press Windows and C, the Copilot will open up. Now if you want to disable it again using my Windows registry editor, so in the search box type regedit and open registry editor. Click yes on user account control and just expand it. Just expand H key current user and then expand software. Under software, you need to expand policies, then Microsoft. Under Microsoft, just highlight Windows folder, right click on it and click on new, and then click key. So a new folder will be created. Name it Windows Copilot. Just make sure you don't have any space in the name, and once you have the name written as Windows Copilot, press enter. Now leave this folder highlighted, and at the right hand side, right click, click on new, and click on dword 32-bit value. So name it like turn off Windows Copilot. So once you have a name like that, right click on it and click on modify and change the value from 0 to 1 and then click OK. You can close registry editor and just restart the computer. So our PC has restarted and we don't see Copilot at the bottom right corner in the taskbar. Let's see what happens if I press Windows and C. I'm pressing Windows and C and nothing is happening. Now we will go to the taskbar setting by right clicking on the taskbar and then click taskbar settings. And there is no Microsoft Copilot option available, which means we have successfully disabled Microsoft Copilot from Windows 11. So these are the ways to disable Windows Copilot on Windows 11. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye-bye.